Stem cells from meristems in plants can be used to produce clones of plants quickly and at a low cost. These flowers are different colours and they're different genetically. They are non-identical flowers. Now, let's say that we've decided that we only want to have orange flowers. We can achieve this through cloning. This allows us to produce more flowers that are only orange, and these are genetically identical flowers. So we know that we have the ability to clone a plant with a particular characteristic, but why would we want to do that? Rare species can be cloned for economic reasons or to protect them from extinction. Flowers such as roses and orchids have economic advantages. People like to buy them for their homes, so if we are able to make more flowers, we can sell more and therefore make more money. What other reason will we have for cloning plants? Farmers may clone crops with desirable features to produce large numbers of identical plants. Examples of special features could include disease or pest resistance. So there are two different species of wheat. One of these species is resistant to insects, while the other one gets eaten by pests. If we're able to clone the resistant plant, then all of the wheat will be resistant. The use of insect resistance in wheat is just an example, but you do need to be able to explain why plant cloning is useful and could use another suitable example of a desirable feature. So how do we clone plants? First, cut a small section of stem. The piece that's removed can be called the cutting. Next, we dip the stem into rooting powder. This rooting powder is something that gardeners may often use. It contains plant hormones. These hormones speed up differentiation of the cells in the stem. This part of the process is very simple. All we do is dip the stem into the rooting powder. Next, the cutting is then planted directly into the soil. The end of the stem that was dipped into the hormone powder is what goes into the soil. The stem cells near the bottom of the cutting grow into new root cells. So the stem cells start out looking something like this, and eventually grow into something like this. This is a root cell. Many clones of the same plant can be made in this way. Bear in mind that although the genetic makeup of a cloned plant is the same, the clones won't always look identical to the parent plant because of other factors affecting their growth, for example, the amount of sunlight or the nutrition that they get while they're growing.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!